Title: Tommy's Magical History Adventure. Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a curious young boy named Tommy. Tommy loved learning about history, and on his 8th birthday, his parents gave him a magical book that could transport him to any historical event he wished. Excitedly, Tommy opened the book and whispered, "Take me to the time of the Declaration of Independence." With a flash of light, Tommy was transported to a bustling city in the year 1776. Tommy found himself in Philadelphia, where he met a kind man named Benjamin Franklin. Ben told Tommy that they were working on a very important document called the Declaration of Independence. This document would announce that the 13 American colonies were no longer under British rule and would become a new nation, the United States of America. Tommy was excited to learn more and followed Ben to a large building called Independence Hall. Inside, he saw men from all the colonies discussing and debating the contents of the Declaration. Tommy met Thomas Jefferson, who was the main author of the document. He explained that the Declaration was important because it stated that everyone had the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. The men worked tirelessly for days, making sure the Declaration was perfect. Finally, on July 4, 1776, the document was approved and signed by the representatives. The bells rang throughout the city, and the people cheered in celebration. Before returning home, Tommy thanked Ben and the others for their hard work and bravery. With the knowledge of this important event in history, Tommy was transported back to his bedroom, clutching the magical book in his hands. He couldn't wait to share his adventure and the story of the Declaration of Independence with his friends and family. The end.